How to change time zone on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can change your time zone on your iPhone, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to change our time zone on iPhone, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up settings. Then once you open the settings app, you want to go to the option called general, and then once you go to general, you simply want to go to the tab that says date and time, as you can see. So once you go to date and time, over here you will find the option called set automatically first, because if I don't turn this off, I cannot just tap on this time zone option, as you can see. So I have to just turn off automatic, then I have to go to time zone, and now I can basically set a custom time zone in this case. Now you can just go ahead and tap on it, and now you'll be able to see the time of that specific country. This is how you can change time zone on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.